Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the origin of bank. In this video, I am going to discuss about what is the origin of bank and how the banking system was started in the world and also started in India. So that is to be discussed. The word bank is derived from the Latin word banco. In French word, it is called as a bank, which means a bench or desk. Why it is called as a bank? In olden days, money lenders were prevailing in the society. They are doing their business of banking by sitting in front of the benches or the bench or the desk. They are called as bank in the meaning of Latin word or in the French word bank. So by that word, the English word bank is derived from. There were a lot of drawbacks in the business of banking carried by the money lenders. Basically, they have no knowledge regarding the principles of accountancy. The particular methodology will not be followed by those money lenders because they are all illiterate persons. Then, second one, there is a lot of discrimination in charging the rate of interest from one person to another person. So one person will be charged at the rate of 4% and another person will be charged at the rate of 6%. Like that, there is a lot of discrimination in charging the rate of interest from one person to another person. Because of that, quarrel started between the various person and the banker. Then the third one, the business of banking was not available to all people. The business of banking was needed in all people, like common people also. But during that time, the business of banking was not available to all people. They are restricted to some rich class person or middle class group. So, money lenders were discarded by the general public. They feel that it is necessary to form one institution in order to deal with the business of banking. As a result, the Bank of England was established in the world. Later on, banking system was extended its area to all over the world. The Bank of Hindustan was the first bank established in India in form of a company. Why it was established in the year 1830? You know it very well that our Portuguese, Dutch, and French came to India in the name of business. So they want to convert their money in form of a rupee. So they established the Bank of Hindustan in order to convert their currency in form of an Indian currency. They established a Bank of Hindustan in 1830. Later on, this business of banking were extended to was extended to all big port cities like Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, and Vishakhapatnam. By this way, the business of banking was started in India. This is all about the origin of bank, how the word bank is derived from, and how the business of banking was started in India as well as in the world. So, this is regarding the origin of bank.